자, good afternoon. 자, I'm fine and how are you?
Fine, thanks.
Okay. Now let's say today lessons motto. Yeah.
Be active, be funny, be creative.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's sing a song, 10 Little Indians. Do you know that? Do you know? Yes? Okay, very good. Let's sing a song. Thank you. Sit down, please. So I have some question. What number is it? 12. What number is it?
6.
Next.
3.
And what number is it?
9.
9. Very good. Carla?
1.
1, 2,
4.
4,
5.
5,
6.
7,
8.
8. What number is it?
10.
10. Okay, very good.
11.
11. 11. Okay. 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Okay. 8, 10. Very good. 11, 12. Next. What number is it? 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4. No. 5. 5. Okay. All of you, please say. What number is it? 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay, very good. What number is it?
6.
Okay, very good. 6. And what number is it?
3.
3. What number is it? 9. Next. 1. 1. 1. The next. 3. 2. 2. Okay. What number is it? 4. The next. 5. Here. 7. 8. 10. 11. Okay, very good. Clap your hand, please. Okay, very good. Okay, what's it? What's it? Good. Tag. Okay, very good. Tag. So today we are going to tell the time. цаг яг нь хэлж сурнаа. Ойлгосон уу? Ойлгосон. Цаг хэлж сурна. За англиар цаг гэдэг clock. 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 За сайн байна. За За ингэж what time is it гэдэг нь цагид болж байна аа гэсэн үг. Цагид болж байна. За please repeat after me. What time?
What time
Is it?
is it?
What time
What time
is it?
is it?
자, what time is it? What time is it?
What time is it?
Okay, very good. What time is it?
What time is it?
Okay, what time is it?
What time is it?
자, next, what time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Good. What time is it?
What time is it?
Okay, very good. What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Юу гэсэн үг лээ? What time? Цагид болж байна. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
What time is it?
자, what time is it?
What time is it?
Okay, what time is it?
What time is it?
Юу гэсэн үг лээ? Цагид болж байна. За, цагид болж байна гэвэл what time is it гэдэг юм байна. За, одоо хэд болж байна? За, 5 цаг гэдэг нь яаж мэдв? За, энэ болохоор юу байна? Минут зааж байна. Энэ болохоор цаг. Okay, very good. За, 5 цаг болж байна гэдэг англиар юу гэдэг юм болоо? No. It is. 자, it is 5 o'clock. 자, next. What time is it? What time is it? It is. Now let's check. It is 10 o'clock. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Next. What time is it? What time is it? It is. Now let's check. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, very good. Good job. Next. What time is it? 2 o'clock. Okay, very good. Let's check. That's right? Yes. Okay. Next. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Let's check. Okay, very good. Clap your hands. Next. What time is it? Honey, what time is it? It is 4 o'clock. Clock, okay. Robert, what time is it? It is. No. 4 o'clock. Very good. Good job. Next. Emmett, what time is it? It is. Okay, very good. Good job. Who's next? Jenny, please stand up. What time is it? Okay, very good. Good job. Who is next? David, please stand up. What time is it? 4 o'clock. That's right. Good. Now let's check. It is 4 o'clock. Okay, very good. Now, look at the board. Look at the board. What time is it? Raise your hand, please. And Dora, please stand up. Dora, what time is it? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. And what time is it? Raise your hand, please. Dora, please stand up. What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
Okay, that's right. Yes, very good. Next, what time is it? Rosa, please stand up. Rosa.
It is 9 o'clock.
That's right.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. 자, what time is it? Elsa, please stand up.
It is 7 o'clock.
Okay, that's right. Yes. Okay, very good. What time is it? Spike. That's right. Good job. Very good. 자, next. What time is it? Jack, please stand up. Jack. That's right. Yeah. Okay, very good, Jack. 자, next. What time is it? Jetly, please stand up. Jetly. One more. 해볼 때. It. Clock. It is. No, it is. That's right. Yes. Good job, Jetty. And next. What time is it? What time is it? And Adam, please stand up. Adam. It is. That's right. Yes. Adam, very good. And next. What time is it? Teacher, please. Teacher, please. Teacher, please. Teacher, please. Teacher, please. And Missy, please stand up, Missy. Okay, very good. Good job. Very good. Wow. Missy, very good. And what time is it? Tommy, please stand up. Okay, that's right. Yes. Okay, very good. 자, the work in pairs, please. Work in pairs. You two, work in pairs. 그리 안 쓰고. Very good. 자, where's your clock? Where's your clock? 그릇색, 차갑처럼 이렇게 하는. Wow, very good. Good job. 자, 하이라이라라 테모. You have to ask, what time is it? What it is? Get 차가야 되죠. 하이라이라라. 비인의 세나. So what? 헤로스. 하이로타 차가선. 하이 지와스 루자 하이로타 차가선. 자요. 하이로타 선. 하이로타 헤로스 나츠노. 네, 이게 바로. 자, for example. 자, 다시 하나를. Please pay attention. Please pay your attention. 1, 2, 3. 자, share good. 자, what time is it? Okay, very good. 자, 이게 소가 되는 숫자 입이 있는데. 자, 오른쪽. 자, H. 오른쪽 H. 자, 그때 해봤지. 자, 타일. 자, Kitty. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, very good. 자, what time is it? Okay, very good. Good job. 자. What time is it? It is. Okay, very good. 자, what time is it? Okay, very good. What time is it? Okay, very good. 자, you have to ask. You have to answer. 자, what time is it? Okay, very good. And what time is it, Dara? Okay, very good. You have to ask and answer. Okay, where's your clock? And what time is it? Okay, very good. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, very good. And what time is it? 2 o'clock. And next, what time is it? Okay, very good. You have to ask and answer. What time is it? 2 o'clock. Okay, very good. Jake, what time is it? Okay, very good. Good, very good. 자, 서가 다루더래. 자. 자, what time is it? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. Okay, very good. 자, you have to ask and answer. 유인에서 악소가 다르다 되자요. 자, 다이래지. Okay, very good. 11? 11? Clock. What time is it? Oh. What time is it? It is 5 o'clock. One more. Take a date. 5 o'clock. Okay, very good. Good job. 자, what time is it? What time is it? Tommy? Tony?
It is 9.
Okay, very good. Good job. You have to ask Sam. Let's go, man. 자, 약간 도둑이. 아서트너. 자, what time is it?
It is
12? Okay, very good. Good job. 자, 인책 읽기를 할수 있지. 자, 인트로 읽지. 우리가 앞도 읽지. Teacher, 자, please pay your attention. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. And Angelina and Pinkie Pie, please stand up. Please stand up. Now you have to ask the time. You have to tell the time. 자, 니가 났어? 니가 배로 선. 자, 이제. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Clap your hand, please. Now please sit down. And Emily, please stand up. 자, please be quiet. Emily. 자기 알았다는 다시. 자, next. Who is next? 자, Lisa and Elsa. Okay, very good. Please sit down. Rosa and Jeffrey. минутны яг оо. Минутныхын зүүн яг 12 дээр байх хэрэгтэй шүү дээ. Тийм биз дээ. Тийм биз дээ тий. За what time is it? 11 o'clock. Цагаа зөв тааруулаарай. За, who is next? За, please stand up. That's right. Okay, very good. Please sit down. За. За, please be quiet. За, одоо хажуу сууж байгаа харилцан хүүхдтэй одоо үндэгээг өгнө. За. Асуулт номер 1. Асуултаа чиний хажуу сууж байгаа зөв асууж чадсан уу? Чадсан бол 5 оноо. За, хоёрдугаарт нь асуултанд чинь хариулж чадчихвэн үү? За, тэгвэл 1-ээс 5 хүртэл оноо өгөх хэрэгтэй заяа одоо. За. За, хайрлаа. Тоогийн тавьч. За, 5 хүртэл оноо өгөөрэй. За, харандаа үзээ аль нь ч байсан байна. За. Тий, яа. За, чиний найзчаас зөв асууж чадсан уу? Зөв хариулж чадсан уу? Чиний асуулт. За, сайн. За, чи бас ажиллах уу? За. Энэ үү? 5 оноо авчихсан. Чи хэд оноо дэвцсэн бэ? 10 оноо дэвцсэн шүү. За, авчихсан уу? За, have you finished? Have you finished? Yes or no? Yes. Дууссан уу? Дууссан уу? За, энэ цаасаа дэвтэртээ наагаад ирээрэй заяа гүртээ. За. Дэвтэртээ наагаад ирээрэй. Сашгүй. Тэгээд өгсөн үү? За, хоёрыг сайлаад өгнө шүү дээ. Ингээд үү. Аа, ингээд. Тэгээд өгсөн үү? Сайлаад өгсөн үү? Окей. За, хоёр. Тэгээд асуулт чадсан уу? Чадсан ба 5 он. За, чиний асуулт нь хариулж чадсан уу? Чадсан ба 5 он. Наацсан уу? За, ингээд. За, ингээд наацсан. За, багш чамд өндлөө өгье. За, асуулт асууж чадсан. Тийм үү? Асуулт минь хариулж чадсан. За, ингээд 10 оноо. За, дэвтэртээ наагаарай за. За, одоо наач. За, have you finished? Yes or no? Have you finished? No. Awesome. Okay. Now let's play game. 어떤 버섯 내시대? 잘해. 자, 자기네들 나가겠지. So everybody has a clock? Asno? So everybody has a marker? Yes. Okay, now let's play game. So who makes the most beautiful magic clock? За бүгдээр энэ дээр цаг зурна. За зөв хариулсан асуулт бүрийнхаа хоолонд цагны зүү зураг шүү. Цагны тоогийн зураг шүү. Зүүг нэг тоогийн зураг шүү. За ёо. За, зааварынсаа хараарай. За, асуулт. За, question number 1. Цаг хэд болж байна вэ гэдгийг англиар юу гэж хэлдэг вэ? За, A. За, танад A, B, C, D, X танад байгаа юу? За, зөвхөн зөв хариултыг гарныхаа алганд ингээд багштай зөвхөн үзүүлэн. За, яа хажууд хүүхдтэй үзүүлэхгүй зөвхөн над руу ингэж үзүүлээ шүү. За. Урууг нь үзүүлэхгүй байх нь зөвхөн зөв хариултаа үзүүлнэ. Тэгээд чиний хариулт зөв байх юм бол тоогийн зураад байна альцсан уу? За. За, A. What time is? B. What is it time? C. What time is it? D. What its time is? Which one is correct? За. Цагид болж байна гэдэг англиар юу гэдэг юм? Багштай ганц харуулна. За, аль нь зөв хариулт вэ? За, please. Yes, that's right. За, зөв бол яг нь. За, 12-ыг зураарай гэнэ. 12-ыг англиар юу гэдэг вэ? За, ингээд 12 хаах нь гэдэг үлээ. За, хамгийн гоёроо зурх ш. За, чиний хариулт хэрвээ таараагүй байх юм бол зурх нь уу? Зурхгүй нэ. За, тэрийг анхаараарай. Хажууд хүүхдээ бас давхар хянаад яваарай. За, next. Question number 2. What time is it? What time is it? За, A. It's 5 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. C. It's 7 o'clock. D. It's 1 o'clock. Which one is it correct? Now let's check. Yes! Okay, very good. So, use region. So speak in English. 6. Okay, very good. Question number 3. It's 9 o'clock. Begin. A, B, C, D. Wow, which one is correct? It's 9 o'clock. Show your answer. Show your answer. Let's check. Yes, okay. Next, 2 draw 3. Where is the 3? За, хажууд хүүхдэд давхар хянаарай. Буруу хариулцаад зураад байгаа юм биш үү? Have you finished? Yes? Yes. Question number 4. What time is it? What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. B, it's 7 o'clock. C, it's 1 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. Which one is correct? Show your answer. Show your answer. Jake? Rainbow? Where's your answer? B, Jake? Okay, let's check. Yes! Okay, very good. Now please to draw 9. 9. 9. Understand. So next. Question number 5. Цаг гэхийг англиар юу гэх вэ? A. O'clock. O'clock. C. O'clock. D. Clock. Which one is correct? Show your answer. Where's your answer? David. David. Where's your answer? David. C. B. 자, let's check. 자, 셔 들어가. 자, 양아라 있지 너. One and two яах нь? To draw. За зураарай. Have you finished? Yes. Next, question number 6. It's 5 o'clock. A, B, C, D. It's 5 o'clock. Show your answer. Show your answer. Rarity, where's your answer? A, D. Which one is correct? Yes, okay, very good. You have to draw 4 and 5. 4 and 5. хэрвээ чиний хариулт буруу бол яах нь вэ? Зурхгүй найх нь шүү дээ. Next. Question number 7. 5 цаг болж байна гэхийг англиар A. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Is it 5 o'clock? Which one is correct? Show your answer. Rarity, where's your answer? Let's check. Yes, very good. You have to draw 7 and 8. Хэрвээ хариулт буруу бол яах нь вэ? Тоогоо зурхгүй шүү дээ. Next. Question number 8. 7 цаг болж байна гэхийг англиар юу гэх вэ? It's 9 o'clock. B. It is 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Please be quiet. Now let's check. Yes! Okay, very good. Юуд байгаа л энэ дээр? 10 and 11. Have you finished? Have you finished it? Yes or no? Yes. Question number 9. What time is it? A. It's 7 o'clock. B. It is 9 o'clock. C. It is 2 o'clock. D. Show your answer. Same. Now let's check. Next. Юу гэж байна? Цагийн зүг тааруулнаа. Өөрийнхөө дурын цагаар тааруулаарай. Багш нь. Энийг ингэж авч агаад наадаг штэ. 5 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. Have you finished? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. За, show your clock. За, цагаа харуулаарай. За, яасан? Дутуу байна уу? 5 дутуу цаг байна уу? Хин бэ? Джетлигийн тооцтой юм уу? Джессика хэдэн тооцтой юм? За, хэдэн үг дутуу байна? 1, 2, 3, 4. За, 5, 6. За, босд нь яасан бүгдөө цаг нь гүйцсэн үү? Okay, very good. Very good. За, тэгвэл дараагийн хичээл дээр энэ цагаа бүгдөө дараагийн хичээл дээр ашиглах учраас цагныхаа зүг тийм цаасаар ш өөр юмар хийгээд ирээрэй заа юу. За, жишээлбэл энэ үгүүд хараа эмгэр хийсэн байна. Эмгэр харж байна уу? Эмгэр. За, ингээд цаас нь ингээд гүйж ин цагаа зааж ин. За, энэ үгт болохоор зэрэг ааваараа шүрүүпээр илгэж чараа цагны зүг. Харж байна уу? За, энэ болохоор зэрэг нөгөө юу вэ? Power, ховонцор. Бас өөр юу байж болох вэ? Хавтас байж болно те, том хавтасны. Зарим хэсгээр ингээд зүү үйж болох нь шүү дээ. Дараагийн хичээл дээр энэ цаг ашиглая шүү. За, сайн байна. За, now let's check your knowledge, new knowledge. What time is it? Raise your hand. Lisa. Okay, very good. That's right. Yes, very good. What time is it? Tony, please stand up. Okay, that's right. Yes, very good. Next. What time is it? Missy. What time is it? Is it too? It is so? Okay, very good. That's right. Yes. Next. What time is it? Spike. Okay, very good. Very good. За, сайн байна. Хичээл ойлгосон гэж үзлээ. За, гэрийн даалгаврын цагныхаа зүг сайхан тогтоогоод ирээрэй. За. Okay, thank you. Please stand up. Thank you. Okay, goodbye. Thank you. Sit down, please. Goodbye. See you. Thank you. Sit down, please. Sit down. За, гэрийн даалгаврт юу гэсэн гэлээ? Цагныхаа зүг сайхан тогтоогоод ирээрэй. За, дараагийн цаг дээр хичээл дээр ашиглана. Дээрээс нь энэ цагаа гоё чимэглээд ирээрэй. За. Чимэглээд айгүй гоё болгоод ирээрэй. За. Энэ ингээ арилж болно. За.